Hello friends, myself Envi Lahamge, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, MVP Samaj, Nasik.
In this video, we will see the different inserting points in a doubly linked list to insert a new node in a previously created linked list. So first of all, we will take the first type, that is the inserting a node that is pointed by P after a node pointed by Q. Means here in this example, we had provided the pointer, the node which we will call as a P, and the previous node of a linked list, after which we have to insert a new node P, that is the Q. So we will write down this insert function like void insert in bracket. We will take the two nodes, that is D node type star P and D node type star Q. What is it? P is pointing the node, that is the new node, and Q is the actual node of a linked list where we have to insert a new node. So here we will assume that the P is previously created a memory, means it has allocated the memory location. So we will take only the final parts, that is, suppose this is a linked list. This is a node, for example, Q, after which we have to insert a new node, that is a P. Okay, and this is a doubly linked list. Doubly means pointers for the previous and next nodes also. In this case, we will make the statements like P pointer next equals to Q pointer next. Means here this connection will be break and it will be connected like this. Then P pointer previous equals to Q. Means actually this will be like this, and Q pointer next equals to P, and it will also connect this to this. So this is the actual mechanism by which we will insert the nodes. Now we will see the actual programming steps, that is, we will insert simply P pointer next equals to Q pointer next. In this, we are connecting the P pointers next to the Q pointer next. Then P pointer previous equals to Q, again making the backward connections. Then Q pointer next equals to, we will attach P. And if this is the middle situation, but if Q will be at the last position, means if we have to attach this node to the last position, then we will make the connections like if P pointer next not equals to null, means it will not be empty. Then in such situation, we will make the connections like P pointer next pointer previous is equal to P. So this is a short function used to insert a node P after a given node Q. Now this is the insertion after that node, but it may be happen like we have to insert that node before that node, means we have to insert it in the previous positions. So if we will take previous, then it may be at the start position, middle position, or it may be at the end position. So for this, we will consider the statements like here. For inserting previous nodes, means we have to consider the head of the linked list. So we will write the return type of it, that is D node. Then take a function like node star insert. Take the three parameters. First is the P for the new node, Q for the linked list node, and head for denoting the linked list. So denote type star head. Then we will again take denote type star P. Again we will take denote type star Q. Okay. Now carefully listen the remaining steps afterward. For example, we had provided like carefully analyze these diagrams. Suppose it is a Q. In the previous function, we had inserted to the next position. But in this statement or in this function, we have to insert at the previous position of the Q node. Means here we have to insert the P. But it may happen like that. Q will point to the starting node. Means it will be at the head position and its previous is null. In that case, what we will do? If it is not, means Q pointer previous is not null, it will be another position. Means head will be here and it will not pointing to the head node. So in such case we will apply next steps. So one by one we will take statements like we will first check the condition like if Q pointer previous equals to null, means Q has been at the first position, then we have to actually be at the first position. Then first position means here is the Q, means we have to insert here. It is P, it is the Q. We will take the simultaneously the diagrammatical representation and the programming statements. So in this inserting at the beginning, what we will perform? P pointer next equals to Q. What we will perform? P pointer next equals to Q. Okay. Then P pointer previous equals to null. Why? Because it will be going to be the first node and it does not contain any data previously. So P pointer previous equals to null. Now again we had attached it forward, but it is a doubly linked list, so we have to attach both way. Means Q pointer previous equals to P. So we will make a statement like Q pointer previous equals to P. And simply here we have attached the both way, make it previous null. So we will here return the P. Okay, and completing this if loop. So it is the beginning at the first. But if it does not contain the previous pointer, null, means it is going to insert it in the another position rather than the first position. So whatever will be the procedure or the whatever will be the point or the node, means at first position, second position, third position, we have to follow the same same procedure. What is it? We have to make the P pointer previous equals to Q pointer previous. If you are remembering the function before this function that we had learned, in that case, when we have to insert at the next position, we had taken the next row. But here we have to insert at the previous position. So we are taking here the P pointer previous equals to Q pointer previous. Again, now suppose it is a Q. It is a node P. We have to insert it in the previous position. So we will take Q pointer P pointer previous equals to Q pointer previous. Means it is the actually previous node. So here we have to insert the P pointer. So in this case, P pointer previous equals to Q pointer previous, means we will attach here like this. Then P pointer next equals to Q. We will make the conditions like P pointer next equals to Q. Now we had connected these two backward and these two forward, but there also one connection remains, that is like P pointer previous pointer next equals to P. Means P pointer previous pointer next. What is it? First of all, we will write is P pointer previous pointer next equals to P. Means first of all, this previous node was connected to this Q. Now we have to connect it to the P. So we are taking the statements like P pointer previous means this node. Pointer next will be the P. So here it is statement, and simply as we have connected these two way, but here this connection was break. So we have to connect these to this. So Q pointer previous is nothing but P, and we will simply return the head pointer. Means we are starting from the previous node. Okay, so this is all about how to insert any one node before the any specified node, and before this we had seen that the how to insert any new node after the previously established node in a link.